All right, so by TV and Ray, yeah, the seminal at the air bremo. Now, and Ray, the video that we shot, we posted it this morning. That yeah, the assembly to just said we'll be introducing foreign news. The reaction of the people, the voice of the people is the voice of God. Now, you know, three kind comments, Nina. Silver TV will not bring any foreign news. Foreign news, no, we'll very soon announce a channel. That will be foreign news, entertainment, politics, everything. Be as me already will be on. We'll take that one day. But when I say a very extensive meeting, we are not bringing any foreign news here. It's not coming. But very soon we announce the channel. Yeah, the be posting other stories. No. Second, to no foreign news. Thank you very much for the comments. Into the Makase. I appreciate the comments. I'm on the back, so keep on bringing it. Now, and then Reno, and rain some no dorsal. I'll be honest with you, because a dorsal and a dorsal. Clarifications, confirmations, setting the record straight is a lot. Yeah, I try my best to bring it all. And to bear with me, because news in the doors. First thing, a humble appeal. Asante Kotoko RTU at 3 p.m. on 24th December 2023. This is a humble appeal. About Kwesiminya Pa Kaboni Yamboni Nonsia. Yamboni Nonsia. Maybe I'll talk about that extensively, but 24th year Sunday and the Monday near 25th, which is a holiday. Playing the game at 3 p.m. 24th, probably the very last but one Sunday of the year. Most people go to church. Manfo be sorry. Almost why before the end of the year and so be almost the year. Therefore, if you fix your game at 3 p.m., other days cry about 6. I no cry man for a dear chairman, the umbrella, macraboni about 6. The way I dear chia, I mean, a holiday dear. Nes and cat ne papa one and keep up no around a year 6. Me sure senka, I don't want comedy pa. So, like I was saying, 24th, there's a humble appeal to the management of Asante Kotoko. I don't know your view on that. Like I said, in comments now with the 2 and upper video, no, I can only tell you where the calls came from. Big men that monitors the channel, they all called in to tell me, say, listen, let's stick with the local and let's give them the best of Kotoko news and the best of local news. So, like we are saying, you know, the comment is very necessary. Kotoko airball 3 p.m. against RTU. Maybe DM Wahana, I feel say a 24th, a dear 25th, a holiday, Monday. Into Nipano crowd or Cho Kuruma, a dear most people won't go to work. 25th year, Ed in Seni Pablo could be required. So to some extent, Kotoko airball game, no. And red 24th, that one be much better than 3 p.m. on 24th. I was even saying elsewhere, say, in Kanapapem Kranka 25th, no crano. Of course, Kokrabit may decide say that day and go on the league day on a holiday. Yes, and Nipana make Pie baby, no, or Pia, but help Kotoko, you are no original sweat Pie, which even on 26th is also a holiday, so they still get the time to rest. So 24th, no, MGDC and Bono. 6 p.m. You moving call under the light. I don't know your take on that. You can also drop your comment on Kotoko Olympics Bono 3 p.m. At Kotoko RT rather on 3 p.m. Olympics had to focus Babaya 6 p.m. Friday 6 p.m. Friday. So you get a chance to watch Babaya 6 p.m. Friday. Olympics had to focus. Then Sunday for now 3 p.m. Sempeni force sana about 2 minutes. Now move on to the next story. let's go straight. You said 7 Dawson. We are doing some clarifications and explanations here on the Rashid Nortey issue. Currently, as we are speaking, data kutame 4 players, pardon me for the pace, Monfanchemi stories in the Dawson. 4 players for Kotoko they are still Kotoko players, but they were not registered by Kotoko this season. One, Solomon Safutela, Ernest Osei Poku, midfielder, Clinton Opoku, Esu Messi, and Rashid Nortey. These are 4 players. They are still players. Omone Kotoko work contract, but one way or the other, they are not part of the registered players as Asante Kotoko. Na Ushemua, Muhammad Alassa Koy, Yusuf Mubarak Koy, Andrew Sapo, now with Bofakwa, Maswala Jemai, Ernest Osei Poku, Dixon Afuakwa, Wimunano, Ekoy. Now, the news now about 10 years say Rashid Nortey will be coming back in the second round. Now, let me do this clarification. Yeni nipa mienu from Silver TV and a Dean Komo. Yeni nipa mienu from Kotoko. Not entirely the management, but people are the ombekana edu omupa. Now, this is what they told us. They used the Nicholas Mensah example. 1. Season beyond the number of players a club can register. You register 30 players. Now you can register youth team players 10 at the account senior team. No. Good. Now you register 30 means say 30 man. Se transfer window ni biye. Now person utobi shema, you need to take some out and put some in because the number should always be 30, not more than 30. Good. It's a Kotoko 30 ni dada. From what I know, Kotoko 30 ni dada. Now moving on. That means if Kotoko want to register, some must leave for some to come in. Good. Now the catcher mini. Rashid Nortey, Solomon Safutela, Ernest Osei Poku, yan register Kotoko and register, but Kotoko is still paying them, which means that to some extent they are still players and property of Asante Kotoko. I just hope you understand. So naturally, if Kotoko feels say second round or person more bar, all he needs to do is to recall them because they are still on Kotoko's payroll and they'll come and start training with Kotoko, and then Kotoko will just register them. Just that there's some cut 30 to whatever means that Kotoko first and they are registered, they register them, then they can start playing. But this is it. This is the clarification. Coach Ogun is building his team. Now the team now all building. This is what my source told me, and I'm telling you. Team now building or Chradie is teaching the players something. So Nicholas Mensah, currently he is under suspension by Ghana Football Association by Kotoko Pianika because he is part of the coach's plan. Coaching in your man or training in and Nicholas has stayed. Any Kotoko training from pre-season even till now. Our coach didn't send a match on TV. But the now say all Chradie, the boy is part of his plans in Timo. He allows him to train with the team. So that second round he drew, that's ordinary shit team. It becomes easier. And you're feeling over running through something new. So what my source was telling me is that those 4 players, I might have my opinion as to what should be done about those 4 players, but this is not my opinion. This is the story. My opinion is different from the story. Ebi amen kaminyaya, ebi anote mbra, ebi anka Safutela mbra, ebi Ernest Osei Poku komo mbra. But that is my opinion. It's not the story. Story here say they are not part of the coach's plan, period. Woman ka coach ne plan na, because coach no is training the players. If they were part of his plans, and maybe for some reason the club named me and register the person you saw in the second round, he would have let them still train with Kotoko, so that in the second round they can easily fit them into the setup. So as it stands now, Rashid Nortey is not coming back, according to a source that I completely trust. He's not coming back. Solomon Safutila is not coming back, according to my source. The same thing applies to Ernesto Sepu. So the long and short is, the management will probably find grounds of terminating their contract for them to go and do their job elsewhere. But Chiremu we dear, may sure say one tiasia, and she be ma met me account. Next story. A brand tia a friend of Abdul Karim. I made a post on Facebook this morning around 9:10. Now, so over TV, I had 3 different calls concerning Abdul Karim. Officially, my confirm one will say we're a free agent. Good. Now, what is happening now? Say, on paper, sources closer to the player is telling me, say, the 9 back is Nations FC. I wrote it on Facebook. The 9 back is Nations FC. Abdul Karim. The Kansi-Mengo factor and the amount of money they are quoting some Bama boy, no, the 9 back is Nations. So I asked the question, say, why is it that Omuma that impression so Baba Kotoko? They gave me an explanation. What I will say is that and yet suitable for Abontain. But Kakrane said there was a break in communication because the player initially said yes to Kotoko. A technical team member, no man is assurance the contract be will Baba Kotoko. But there was a break in communication. And honor and Kansi-Mengo who said Onya Abdul Karim and the Cap Prince Aqua Ewan in Fifi. These are 2 matured players that can turn things around for Nations FC in the Ghana Premier League. Into the honor no. Now I'm not here cross our brand and then so any medicals. As to shoot me my nations went me I cannot say. But what I can tell you is that the 9 back is Nations and as at and then 4 p.m. na Nations A lead Kotoko in the race of signing Abdul Karim. Mami corner story. This particular transfer window, let me make this statement. Every Kotoko fan should lower the expectations this transfer window. I may not be able to explain it right now, but may sure say because of stories no send ye makasa bebre ntino eye bebre a efe information overload na so money panel na adwumia ne bebre ntina me ma me stories and those twetwa so no. So tomorrow I will explain why as a Kotoko fan this particular transfer window lower your expectations. Karim common kakra wo ho and the other common and extensively is telling us that we should tell all the fans say transfer window way and mamo expect it say omo be turn things around the one now mo call it for right back, left back, center back, defensive midfielder, striker. There 5 no. I will explain that tomorrow morning. Trust me, I will do that with the reasons and what the sources are saying. Now, Kotoko, another clarification and the issue about Kotoko, the players car, bonus and salary. This is the truth. Take it from me. Now, last week, open now according to my source, Asante Kotoko players afunu ye ma na last week. When Kotoko go through crisis, me betena ha catch you say the leadership of Asante Kotoko share players no. Omo promise you so mu win 4 matches to so starting from day no mu meeting ne kwa omo special bonus at the moment. Omo ko lose some matters. But the players were able to get those 4 wins twice after summer test, you know. They had a special bonus of 1,000 Ghana cedis. That is what my source is telling me. 1,000 Ghana cedis. Salaries all paid to Kotokondi players cash salary. The month of November there, or maybe around 26th, 27th November, and bonuses. I'm telling you, according to my source, all paid, including hard to folk bonus. And no a double the bonus no. On se Kotoko bonus away. I don't know whether 700 Ghana cedis and at home 500 Ghana cedis. They were given double against us, plus the special bonus of 4 matches of winning in the Ghana Premier League. Midiama Legon City's Chelsea has of winning at Twaso and also at the moment. In Tisobi Kachel say Asante Kotoko dini players car. According to my source, or no, or yeah, extremely onka IMC ho, onka kot company for, but okasi ipunu ono na de ma say ekebie ni ho. I should tell everybody. Stories no, I think say Clive really not chana explanation on the transfers never not chana. Abdul Fattah Safi, and I think I did it in the morning, so there's no need to do a recap. Blake contract, nothing has happened again from what I reported to you last week. When it's a sign, intimate bomb is ceremony for me, council, Blake, a say. So let's keep it like this. With a fact, so our story is bare 5 years. Let's keep that one like that, and drop your comment on the Kotoko RTU at 3 p.m. What is your take on that? Na yami adumochina. Yen kika ne mambomuye. Yen be chere why as a fan you should lower your expectations this particular transfer. I'll come and explain that. Now what you say. So by TV nyame